grade Shurley method, page 49. This is the part 1 recording, and we're going to do exercise 1. So we have mixed patterns. So they are not all pattern 4. They can be anywhere from pattern 1 to pattern 4. So let's look at number 1. You guys are going to do number 2 for homework. You guys are going to do number 2 for homework, and it's subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern 4 check is what that one is, the pattern. Okay, look at the winning flower arrangement. Who's supposed to look at the winning flower arrangement? You. That is understood. So you, which is the understood subject pronoun, right? Okay, what is being said about you? Look, verb. Look at what? Which one? Guys, do we know? No. So when you're sitting there having trouble figuring out what it is, then it's going to be like one of your earlier patterns. So this one is just a pattern 1. Okay? So at is what? Preposition. At what? Object of the preposition. What kind of arrangement? What kind of flower? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. At the winning flower arrangement, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And it is a command because it's telling, right? Telling you to do something. Okay. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. Number 3. He gave his secretary a copy of the report. Who gave his secretary a copy of the report? He. Subject, pronoun. What is being said about he? Okay. Gave what? Copy, right? Is copy the same thing as he? No. So that's a what? A direct object. And then gave becomes the verb transitive. Gave the copy to whom? Indirect object. Whose secretary? Possessive pronoun adjective. A of what? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Of the report, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And gave. Is there an adverb exception? Is it in the natural or inverted order? Okay. People in the city do not milk a cow for their milk. So who do not milk a cow for their milk? People. Subject. Now, what is being said about people? Okay. Do is the what? Helping verb. Not isn't actually the verb. It's a what? It's an adverb. And milk is the what? Verb. Okay. Milk what? Cow. Is cow the same thing as people? No. So it's a direct object. Milk is the verb transitive. Okay. A. For what? Milk. Object of the preposition. Whose milk? Possessive pronoun adjective. In what? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern. Oh, pattern 2, check. Okay, in the city. For their milk. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate.
City and do.
No, city and do. Okay, because that helping verb's in there. Okay, is there an adverb exception? No. Is this in natural or inverted order? It's natural. Okay, so if it had the helping verb at the front, then it would be inverted, but it's behind the line. Okay, you guys are doing number 2, pattern 4. Okay, for homework.